Hi everyone, I'm so excited. I have another Etsy haul. We have things from 2 Weeks on Mars, we have Almond Avenue, so some others. So let's go ahead and get started, okay? Okay, this first item we have is from Fanny Mayberry. And these are so precious. They are little birds. And they're so cute. Let me try to get you to see them. And these can go in your journals, or you can make cards with them, or put them on a gift. I just couldn't resist. Looks like these two are the same. So one of the birds has a little crown on it. It's so cute. And two little lovebirds and a nest. And there's eggs in the nest. That's cute. Oh, okay, so there's 3 each. So there we go. Those are precious. The next item I have is from 2 Weeks on Mars. And here is the card. And a little appreciation card. This is so pretty. I've ordered from 2 Weeks on Mars before, and the wrapping is always so pretty. Oh, I can open from the side. Oh, wow. So these are big jumbo paper clips, and these are little charms. So this has the Day of the Dead, little skull, and some, do y'all hear my cats? And they have these, there's a little black rose. Wish you could, let's try this. And you can just clip this on a notepad or a bookmark, whatever you wish. And this one is a pearl. Pearl heart. Again, you can use it as a bookmark, you can use it in your journal, you can send it in a card for a friend, put it on a gift. So much fun. And then these are little charms. I don't want to take these out, but I will open it. It has a little fuzzy on it. So soft. And this, I believe, is a star. This one here. It looks yellow, but it's white. So these are nice little charms. Okay, so this ephemera I have This is from, I believe it's Pink Flamingo Ephemera. And this one has a lot of cruising and ships for those of you who travel. And I don't think I'm going to open this up. They're all very tiny, but you can sort of take a look at that. And then this one is the fairy tale. So I'll open up this one. This one, they got bigger pieces in this one. Okay. This is nice. Sort of a silhouette, or you could use this side. This is fun too. But I like this side better. Floating fairies. More floating fairies. It's a little tiny sprite with some mushrooms. That's cute. Okay, these are getting very, very tiny. So I'll put these right over here. Look at this one. So lots of fairies. Oh, Queen Fairy. Look at these itty bitty tiny ones. She's cute. Now I love these. Seven little fairies came to call one day. This one matches this. I like this page. Okay, for Almond Avenue, I cleared the desk, and because there's so much, and take a look at these. These are in purples and pinks. I like these big flowers. So these purple and pinks are very lovely. I think this is my favorite, this particular flower. And now we have greens. Look how cute. Tiny little postage. So here's all the green, which I love that they are color coordinated. You can buy little bundles in the colors. So these are the green. And here it looks like we have yellow. Yellow and orange. I like the bird. Another bird. I love these cartoons. And these are the yellow. And our last color looks like it's orange. Maybe orange and red. Oh, I love the rabbit. This old-fashioned one. That's a neat stamp. Look how cute. A little turtle. Okay, and the last one was orange. I hope you enjoyed the Etsy haul. It is so much fun, and I love how all of these are color coordinated, and you can use them for your scrapbooking, your junk journals, or if you make your own cards. I know some of you make your own envelopes, so some of the larger pieces you could do that. And I want you to have a great day, and I will see you in our next video. Thank you. Bye-bye.